Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to open a subscription box from Beadcraft Babe. It's the subscription box for July, and I don't know if she's going to be continuing or she's put it on hold, but I will link her website down below in the description box, as also her YouTube channel. She's got a couple of YouTube channels. Her name's Evelyn Creativia here on YouTube, and she also has Beadcraft Babe also. I got the June box, and that was Beauty and the Beast, and this one's called the pink box. And as most of you know, I love beads. I love everything about beads. I love cute beads. So let's take a look and see what we got. I'd like to tell everybody, welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you. I'm a multi-crafter. I like to crochet and diamond paint and make jewelry, do things with beads, and so on. Shabby chic, collaging, paper crafts, resin, journaling. I just like to do it all. So you'll see a multiple of things on my channel, and I'm learning to knit as well. I just put that on hold for a little bit. So it comes wrapped in this box. Let me close in a little bit. And I'm excited to get this. So, first, here it is. This is her website, so if you want to take a screenshot of that. So, I've ordered for her from a long time. She's also on TikTok. And a thank you card. And you can show your projects, hashtag it. Hashtag your projects, Beadcraft Babes. Okay. And you start out with a pin, which I love these. And you guys all know that I do beads on my pin. I get these and I put beads on them and I send them to people or sell them. The next thing we got were these beautiful beads. Look at these beads, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. Next thing we got is this keychain. And she gave some findings, which super cool. She put her own tag on that. She's got jump rings, chain, eye pins. And this is super cute. Look at this cute bead. Isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. Then you get a string of beads, which all these are mostly my favorite colors, which I love, pastel type colors. And it looks like you get some donuts. These are cute beads with the little smiley faces on it. More donuts. This I like a macaroon. And then we got these little guys, look like cupcakes or cookies or something. I like how they come in the pink bags. These would be good for tassels. And this looks like, I'm not sure what that is, just like a marble type. That is beautiful. Got some of these. We got some of these plastic bales, which are always hard to find. Then we got some lobster clasps. Isn't that pretty? Keychain cassette tapes, is that what that is? Or obviously charm cassette tapes. I love charms too. And then it looks like we got some gold, I don't know what you call that, pieces. You can put it on things. Not glitter, but I can't remember the name. Yeah, so you can put it on paper, whatever you're doing. So that is my subscription box opening for the month of July from Beadcraft Babe. This is a little poll I got off of Instagram that I get frequently when she does sales. I think it's Happy Day Crafter, maybe? Anyway, she was having a sale on Instagram, and I will link her Instagram thing down below. And it looks like some things escaped out of there. Yeah, this was opened up. That's okay. We'll figure it out. I'll put it in another bag. It's no biggie. So it's called Happycrafter Shop. And yeah, that's my bill. So Happycrafter Shop on Instagram. And the things I got were some tweezers, a couple of packs of tweezers. So I got these here. And then another pack of tweezers here. So I have extra. Then I got these little coffee, or is it coffee or cupcakes? Ice cream maybe? I don't know. I can't remember. So there's those. Then I got these flower beads. And then you see the bag that tore. There's these beads. And then I got some more of these. And that is my haul for Happy Day Crafter on Instagram that she was selling. And Beadcraft Babe. I hope you like what you saw here, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to all so you can see more of my videos, and hopefully I'll have a project soon with this, but I'm also behind on my June box that I need to work on as well. Alright everyone, please take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.